Hey, this is Joshua Christensen over here with our 21 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Willys edition. It is in the Nacho Average clear coat color, and it does have aftermarket rims, fuel rims, 20-inch rims, and 35-inch tires. Now, walking around the vehicle, you can see that the color matching was done by the factory, by the fit and finish. You can also see on the top from Chrysler itself. Now this Jeep right here does have black accents on the front, makes it come together. Love the new body style and the new fenders. One cool feature on this one that I noticed, it's gonna have factory remote start. It's gonna have the trailer tow and HD electrical group, the safety group, and also the V6 engine. Larger 8-inch screen on this model as well. Gotta unlock the car to be able to do that. Here's some more aftermarket pieces, the Go Rhino steps. You have cat skin aftermarket leather on the interior. And then here on the inside, you can see that larger screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated steering wheel, heated seats, parking assist, parking sensors, obviously your standard four-wheel drive Jeep Wrangler. 15,000 miles on this model. If you want to come see it, it's at 5911 Market Street. Come check it out with us today.